Take a deep breath in and let it out. Observe the beautiful interplay of inhalation and exhalation. And let your heart open. Let your heart open. Relax your thoughts. Let your breath, allow the breath to become your focus. Relax your thoughts. Allow the breath to become your focus. Allow the breath to become your focus. And feel the column of light that you are. Relax. A gentle column of light connecting you to the star of the sun. The breath beyond and beyond, become and beyond and beyond. And to the center of the earth, and beyond and beyond and beyond and beyond. You are the center. You are all that is. You are the center. You are the center. All that is here. And beyond and beyond and beyond. As you calm the mind, realizing that you are one with all that is, and yet you are one on this planet. Connect with your stars right above you and below, and observe the movement of your emotions here, and the movement of the fluids in the body, the blood, the lymph, and the breath. Everything is moving. We observe, we remain a witness to the movement of all that is. And we align ourselves with our purpose. The purpose to be alive. to experience santosham, serenity, and ease with ourselves. And travel in the body, emotional body, physical body, mental body, and notice where there may be some tension. And relax. And feel your diaphragm pulling down and down as you inhale, down and down. And as you exhale, release, release. As you exhale, release, release. And inhale and recharge and relax and relax. And exhale and share and release and share and relax and relax and recharge and relax, and that all that is you, and all this is you, and everything you need is inside you.